Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a keyword in WhatsApp Bot Builder. So what is a keyword? A keyword is a trigger that activates an automatic message flow when a users type a specific word or let's say a phrase. This allows you to automate responses and enhance your overall interaction with customers efficiently. So let's start by creating a keyword. So here you will find an automation option, click on it and get started. Then on the top right corner, you need to click on this purple create new keyword button. When you will click on this button, a new keyword will pop up. It will ask for the name which you want to give it to your automation. We can write here something like price query. So let's write it. And then we need to choose the flow for this automation. So I will choose the flow which I have already created, which is prices. Let's select it and click on create, and your automation will be created. Then we need to set the condition that defines how the keyword will be recognized. So we have this column condition. When you will click on this, you will see a set of conditions which we have in this WhatsApp bot builder. We have first one, which is begin with. This triggers if the user's message start with a keyword. Then we have contains. This triggers if the keyword is found anywhere in the user's message. And last is. So this condition triggers when the entire message matches with the keyword exactly. So in this case, we'll set the condition to begins with, and we can enter some keyword like hi, and we can add one more like price. So whenever my customer or potential client, they ask a keyword like hi and price, this automation should run. Do not forget to switch on this toggle button here. So you need to activate this automation. Now your automation is activated. That's it. You have successfully created a keyword that will trigger the flow price when users send a message that begins with hi or price. So to test this, let's go to our chart and let's wait our one of the client to type something. So our customer has typed a keyword price, and my WhatsApp bot builder, it started sending the flow which we created in that automation. So this is how we create a keyword which allows you to build more efficient automation, responding quickly and accurately to your customer. So if feel free to experiment with different keywords and conditions to optimize your automation strategy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team via the help center. Thank you and take care.